Hey everyone, I'm back with another video, and in this video, we're talking about StreamINK. What is StreamINK, you might be asking yourself? Or I guess me in this instance. StreamINK is an inking challenge for October. It's where all the prompt list was made from the minds of 31 Twitch streamers and one lovely mod. We are currently on day 6, which is Ethereal. I must admit, I struggled with this one just a little bit, but I think it worked itself out in the end. Ethereal, by definition, is extremely delicate and light in a way that seems too perfect for this world. My StreamINK project is following a traveler who's documenting a trip in her sketchbook. Each day brings a new Polaroid drawing and a spread. It's posted on Instagram, and more of our friend is revealed each day. Why is she traveling? What is she trying to discover? To be honest, a part of me is still actually figuring this out. It's been a wonderful process, but I really wish I had had more of the story fleshed out before beginning. Notes for next time. My original goal was to stream every single prompt. Unfortunately, due to unforeseen circumstances, I can't get into my Twitch account right now. Filming and uploading to YouTube is the best choice, at least for right now. I really hope you enjoyed this quick time lapse. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to my wonderful patrons from Patreon. Like and subscribe if you want to, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!